Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to keep covering the purchase document flow in Business Central. And specifically, we're going to be talking about the purchase return order and the purchase credit memo and what kind of document this produces in the system when with a posting operation. So thank you so much for requesting this video. One of you viewers requested this in one of the comments. We would love to know more from you guys. So if there are other videos that you'd like us to cover, please let us know down below. We always like to hear from you, and we would like to do as many videos that you feel like are actually helpful. So thank you so much for doing that and for commenting. Now, going back to our purchase document flow, we have already discussed the upper area of this chart. So if you haven't watched the previous video, we're going to add a link right up here. So make sure you jump back and watch that one first so that you will better understand what we're talking about here today. So as we've said in the last video, we have now affected the system with the posting action coming from a purchase order or a purchase invoice. But it obviously can happen, and it does happen, that it is necessary to revert some of those actions, either because like some of the merchandise that we've received is not correct, or maybe we made a mistake. So in either case, we need to have a way to produce an effect on the system that will revert the changes. Like we said in the past video, it is not possible to delete those documents. So the strategy that Business Central uses is, from these two documents, it's actually possible to generate, you can obviously make them from scratch, but it's also possible from these two documents to generate one of these two documents that you see right here, the purchase return order or the purchase credit memo. You can think about these two as the reverse of these two documents up here. So the purchase return order, just like the word says, means like we've received something from one of our vendors, but for whatever reason, we have decided to return it, to send it back. So we need to remove it out of our system. And this obviously will produce, more than likely, two different effects. We're going to have less inventory of that specific item that we're sending back. And second, it's going to also have to give us a credit on the side from the vendor side, because we potentially have already purchased that document, sent some money out to them. So we're going to want to be refunded for that. And that is exactly what's happening here. So just like for the purchase order, the purchase return order has the option of doing this action in two steps. So we can start shipping out the goods that we no longer want or that we would like to return to the customer. And this, with the posting action, will produce the posted purchase return shipment, because we are shipping out the goods out to the customer. So they're leaving our inventory and they will be going towards the vendor. Now, the other effect, obviously, when we have completed all the shipment, we can post a credit memo. Like the word says, this will affect our system, generating a credit that we now do have towards that specific vendor because of those goods that we've sent back. Now, it is possible also to create a document called like the purchase credit memo that will automatically, once posted, generate effects that affect both the inventory side of things and the financial side of things. So with one action, we would produce a posted purchase return shipment and a posted purchase credit memo. Now, these being posted documents, they are affecting the GL entries, and they will effectively revert changes that have potentially been made here, either by mistake or because they need to be addressed for some issues that there have been during the line. So there you have it. So this is the full flow of the purchase document. We hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, as always, so make sure to write them down in the comments. We'll try to get to them, or book a meeting on our website if you would like to dive deeper in more specific cases that your business is facing. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to seeing you in one of the next videos. Thanks for watching this video from NavSeal. Check out more right here. NavSeal offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution. So if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.